Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanya. I'm so fortunate, I'm so blessed to have you guys here. And for those who recently subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for engaging with me in the comment section. Thank you guys so much. Obviously, I kind of disappeared for quite a few days, and coming back and seeing how you guys responded to that, it amazed me, because it also shows me it's not always about the views, but it's about the bond and the connection and the rapport that we have built since we all come in contact and discover each other. For me, that's quite pivotal, and it means more to me than anything else. It also shows me about the unity that we really have in us, that we can actually build and execute. And for that, I just want to say thank you. It's very important to take a break, especially if things, we're not perfect and things happen sometimes. Like, honestly, there are so many flaws and on flaws going on around here. So never be afraid to like zone out. I need to go away, blah blah blah, like that kind of shenanigans. Yeah, just be very realistic and just face the reality of the ups and the down, and always give God thanks. I'm not saying that I consult him all the time, because sometimes I just zone out away from him and I'm like, I can't have this conversation with you, Lord, because I know I'm frustrated. I have that sort of conversation with the Lord. So yeah, we just gotta let it out. But with that being said, thank you so much. I think the numbers are back. It's quite important as well, though. I just said. And as well, it's very important to be careful with the type of people that you surround yourself with and the energy. And always be grateful for those who showed up for you, those who are there for you. Because my friend, trust me, she looked after me. My mom, she looked after me. I can tell you that. They are there for me 100%. We still have the usual thing to do. I started this journey with always taking the train. You guys have seen that, and I need to go. I actually forgot to add my review. This morning, I am trying the apple. Cinnamon is on top, yeah? Yeah. And what else again? Just a sprinkle of the cinnamon, but like a bit of apple, but it's latte. It's apple pie. Gotta try the apple. Yeah, so he served me a lovely apple pie. Latte, so a bit of cinnamon on there, but I was actually on the phone while he was doing it, so I wasn't able to have that conversation and that like record that banter. And then on top of that, what I have done is got myself a chicken avocado sandwich. Hopefully that will work. I'll show you. So I got one of these sandwiches. I know it's quite expensive, no, £5.50. Yeah, so yeah, that should work. Doesn't that do something for you, isn't it? And do you know what I also love? What is this event called again? Chelsea Flower Show. Yeah. Do you guys like participate in Chelsea Flower Show?
Not this shop, but I have before with other places.
Really? It's amazing. Like, so I want to go to Chelsea Flower Show. Yeah, this year. It's expensive, no?
But I get first release tickets, and then they're not that bad. But
okay.
It's a day out.
Yeah, isn't it? And normally the weather is iconic as well, so I love that. Yeah. But when it comes to like flowers and things like that, it's just amazing. Yeah. This is so cool. Got a thing for flowers, like it does something to me. So anywhere that I see flowers, like I'm always gonna capture it, because it's just amazing. I've got a slight headache. I've actually put in a little bit more effort this morning with my hair. It's quite foggy. I usually be down where the benches are, where a lot of the fogs are, you can see. But now, obviously it's winter, so that is not gonna happen. Yeah. I just walked through this other property. When it is summer, it is so beautiful. It's so nice. But obviously it's winter now, so yeah. Like, oh, look how thick the fog is up there. It's crazy. Can I just say how nice this apple cinnamon latte is? It tastes so good, honestly. And they made it really hot as well. One of the reasons why I like to say extra hot, because of the time of my journey to work, and I hate when it's cold. Look at the sun. Let me show you. Honestly, I can tell you that nothing motivates me like when we look out for each other and really, I don't know, give each other that sort of motivation and that sort of inspiration. Once again, thank you guys so much. I have this habit with the hair thing, like, yeah, because I'm a little bit funny with the hair, do you know what I mean? But I try to make a little bit more effort, like I said this morning, with my hair and stuff like that. But whenever it's the weather is like wet, it's a bit difficult because then it just like wet it up and stuff is straighten out. But then what I tend to do sometimes, I just like straighten it out, or if I'm not really in the mood and I need to rush to catch a train, do you know what I mean? But my favorite style is really like the fringe, because I just think my forehead is really big, and then of course it just shows a lot of my warts that is in my face. But then a lot of people tend to like the warts and stuff like that. I'm just having this little conversation. But yeah, but we just need to look after ourselves. Do you know what I mean? But this is what I'm feeling myself a little bit. Yeah, great. So I'm having a good time. I'm feeling myself a lot. Oh my God. I mean, I try to make a little bit of effort this morning because I'm feeling myself. Plus, you need to stop at Pret and get the... they've got this apple pie kind of thing, a latte. It's really good. They sprinkle the cinnamon on top.
You don't need any sprinkles. You are sprinkling yourself already.
I'm sprinkled. I love it. You're looking good and you're looking like you're feeling better. And I just want to tell you guys, continue to do what you are doing and be proud of what you're doing, your journey and things like that. And do remember, we're all unique. We're all our own, each individual, okay? And we're not to be compared one to another. I'm finding all these little spots where I can do my record. My God, but you will hear the noise anyway in the background, okay? But one's got to go, so we'll tap back in. This looks very nice. Oh my God, it's very colorful. I will eat the okra. Huh? I will eat the okra. Oh, okay.
What that's supposed to mean, Tanya?
Not sure about that.
You have to eat the okra and try it.
I'll try. Oh, it looks really lovely though. It's quite colorful. It's very colorful and nice. And then you're gonna put the fish in here?
Not now.
Okay, but you're gonna eventually it will go in there.
Yes.
But you've got a very high tone. Can you tired of your? Are you tired of me or something? I so but why are you tired of me? I'm asking too many questions.
No, you have to respect
I see. Consider the fact that you actually want me to eat the okra. I would have thought that you would have been a bit more nicer to me. You know,
Really?
Of course. You know I'm not gonna finish this. She's cooking food, so yeah. We'll see about that, but yeah, let's just see how it goes. We've got okra there, we've got the tomato there, and then she's gonna add her fish there as well a little bit later on. But you're not doing the rice, no?
No.
Yeah, she's not gonna do rice.
Banana and plantain.
Banana and plantains.
So banana very green.
Mm.
And then all of a sudden by the time they come into the house it's right.
So
I don't understand.
so mommy, that is too much. I didn't hold on. Mommy said that she bought a green banana and by the time she got in the house it was ripe. So that means something is off right at a certain point. Yeah, definitely. I actually do remember once I literally bought some plantains and they were like absolutely firm. They were like amazing. They were super whatever. And then as soon as I get inside, they were black. I don't understand it. I do. So she bought the bananas green. By the time she get inside, they are what, mommy? They are black.
No, the banana? Oh, I thought this was a plantain.
No, you bought bananas you said earlier on, but that's different from
Okay.
that is different from my plant.
You kind of have to focus on the cooking. So you understand. Yeah. Buy them green and by the time I come inside, they're all right. I don't understand.
I don't know what they're doing to these food these days.
Situation, you have to pray and bless the food. You know, put it before God to purify it. Yeah.
Precise to the point. Anyway, I'll show you how she finished this. Okay, right? Yeah, right.
Tastes nice, don't it?
This looks amazing. Like, so I've had a taste, and it needs nothing more. It doesn't need any more, like no salt, no nothing's got the right amount. That is so beautiful. So this is fish, right, Mom?
No, lobster.
That is so rude.
No, you come in to test me, though. No, this is lobster, not fish. Lobster.
I think that behavior is unacceptable. I don't
Lobster.
think that you should consider my excellent performance review. I think that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Proud of you, my daughter. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Proud of you. I'm not lying. Really proud of you, 100%.
That looks so good. So we've got the fish in here, and okra. We've got tomato. We've got some onions. We've got a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper. Am I missing anything else here? Oh, you've got your our antibiotics, which is the garlic. My mom actually loves cooking with that, just so you guys know that. And don't forget, you can also check our well, not that you really do anything there, but it's Joanna homemade meal.
Still go over there.
Oh,
Still go over there.
yeah, with
The things over there.
oh yeah, and also the same on IG. Oh my god, wow. But yeah, this is so iconic. And then of course she's got a little pot over here with a banana. So yeah, I haven't got time to lift that up right now, to be fair. Oh, this is lovely, Mommy. Very, very nice. We've got delicious okra here, as you can see, and obviously boiled. Is this a banana that you said that you boil and then you boil and then it becomes ripe?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, right? What do you think they do with these sort of things? They probably spray them, no? Well,
I give you one slice of plantain.
okay.
If you want more, you can have.
I don't think so. You already know that. You're trying to force me. But anyway, this is dinner. Absolutely amazing. And I'm going to tuck right in and get settled, get comfy and cozy. And what we're going to do now? We're going to gossip.
I don't gossip.
Oh, you don't gossip? Oh, yeah. Okay, great. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is dinner prepared by my lovely mom. So yeah, what is it that you're having for your dinner? I hope it's something comfy and relaxing. I mean, obviously, if you do fancy a little bit of our dinner, there's plenty more as well here. Mom will be more than delighted to assist in providing for you and share something nice for you. So you are welcome. Bring your plates, because I don't have any more plates here. I'm just joking.